Good morning, everyone. So, this is something new I want to try. I am going to walk you through an elbow treatment that I am doing for myself. Right, so in treating the elbow, we are going to treat the whole arm, parts of our back, and neck. So, I am going to start at the elbow capsule, which means I will do the exterior and the interior. I will be working up into my shoulder capsule as well as the interior. I will be working down in the omoplate, and I will be doing this whole area, and then I will be working in the trapeze, but right in the crest of the trapeze, and I will be working up into the neck. Then I will come back on my steps, doing exactly what I had done before.